What's up, online shoppers? In COVID, I learned to cut my husband's hair because we simply had no choice, and now I do it all the time. But you need to have good tools, and it's time to reorder a new set. This was my choice. This is the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Trimmer, and I love the idea behind it. Here it is in the box, like that, and it comes in the nicest little case. Let's open it up and see what you get. Here is the handy little case it comes in. I love that the zipper goes all the way around, and here are all the pieces that you get. Here is the Wahl Color Pro Rechargeable. You see that it has guide here, or legend, for all the different colors are, and here are all your pieces. So of course they also include a maintenance kit. It has the oil for keeping the blades oiled and a little brush for cleaning. So now that we've opened up the case, we have all the pieces out for you to see. This Wahl clipper is called the Color Pro because it has this really great little legend here, and just by looking at the legend, if you want, say, the 1/2 inch, all you have to do is grab the orange because it tells you that right on the handle. Now, I love that you've got 8 different guides here, as well as these are a game changer. If you have to go around people's ears, these angled pieces right here are great. You put them on and it helps you get that tricky spot around the ears nice and close to their head. I also love that they give you a blade cover for storage, which is super handy. Here is the cord for plugging it in. It goes in on the bottom here, just like this, and you're ready to rock and roll. And of course, all the other really cool pieces they give you: 2 combs for using while you're cutting hair, some scissors for those little touch-ups, and as well you get a nice little grooming kit. You get the oil so that you can oil your clipper head, and also this nice little brush, because I'll tell you, it can build up hair inside here. So in order to take the top off, all you have to do is just flip it back with your hand. It comes off nice and easy, and you can see this section in here. So once you've done that, you can just take your little brush, clean it all off, and the top is really easy to pop in as well. You just have to angle it in so that little lip here goes in like that, puts it in proper position, and you click it right back on in place. Really, really easy. Now, as far as this clipper goes, it is so comfortable. I've had other Wahl clippers before, and I liked how they feel in my hands, but this one I think is even better. For one, I love that it's got a thumb rest right here. Now, this is where you turn it on and off, and you can see even after I have it turned on, how absolutely quiet it is. I can still talk to you and you can hear me. The volume and the noise on this is very, very low. There is an indicator light here at the bottom, and when this starts to flash red, it's time to plug your clipper in. Now, if we talk about the bottom, it's got a really nice smooth profile here, and when I have it, I love that there's this little bit of a ridge for my fingers to grip to so I can hold on to it really easy. Now, I've used a lot of clippers, and I really like how these ones feel in my hand. I love the convenience and the ease of just glancing for the right color after I've read what's on the legend. I love that this is going to give me about 3 or 4 hours of charge depending on how thick the hair is, and I love the convenient little storage case. It's really, really nice. If you are looking for a great set of clippers, these Wahl Color Professional are awesome. Feel nice in the hand. You've got the ease of colors. Definitely a family favorite at my house.